Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in to another of my videos. Today I got a very special video. Why? I know you're asking why. It's because this is the first cosplay 3D part that I actually was able to create. Well, the printer made it, but I was able to buy, yeah, and then transform it into this. This is gonna be a Black Panther Civil War helmet, mask, whatever you wanna call it. It's actually based off the DO3D models. They have a model for everything, guys. It's been out there for a while. I actually been owning it for a couple of years, and I just got the opportunity to actually being able to print it. The printer was purchased by the shinryseries. Check out his book down there. He's my biggest sponsor that I have at the moment, and without him, this wouldn't be possible. So this is just this part. It's gonna be this part for the mask. Is actually gonna be a 8-piece mark because the printer is small, so it has to be divided into different pieces. So that's gonna be just the mouth. We still gotta get the rest on the back and all that. I scaled it down 10% because this was made for a person over 6 feet, and as you can see and tell, I'm not to that height, so I had to rescale it and make it a little bit towards my size. It's gonna come here, and there's gonna be another part here and another couple parts all around it that we're gonna have to glue. I was hoping I was gonna be able to do this part to be attached from the mask, but what I can see is not gonna be possible. So what I'm gonna try to do is do the back part, just make it detachable. But overall, I'm just gonna print everything and then see how I make it. I hope you guys like it. The detail on this part is very good. I'm really happy with it. The little details are really unique and really smooth to be a 3D printer from PLA, because I have purchased items that are by 3D printers and those lines are horrible, and this one is smoother than other printers I've seen. So I'm really happy. It's not gonna be hard work as I was expecting at first, but it still is gonna be work because you gotta smoothen it out and make sure those holes are there to breathe on. I'm not gonna tell you how I'm gonna do it first because I need still a little bit more research, but as you can see, this is gonna be a project coming soon in the next month. I think I'm gonna try to get it done. Let you guys decide what you guys think. So comment down below, like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Please check out the shinryseries book. He's a blessing in my life, guys. I hope you can support him too. Just go on his Instagram page, follow him. That will mean a lot to him and me. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.